Let's learn how to blur behind the text in Adobe Premiere Pro. First, right-click in the project panel, choose New Item, then select Adjustment Layer. Drag the adjustment layer onto your timeline, just below your text layer. Make sure your text layer is placed above the adjustment layer. Now, go to the Effects panel, search for Gaussian Blur, and drag it onto the adjustment layer. Then, head to the Effect Controls panel and increase the blurriness value to create the blur effect behind the text. To adjust the blur to fit the text size, go to the Adjustment Layer's Scale setting. Uncheck the Uniform Scale option to adjust the height and width independently, ensuring the blur covers only the area behind the text. That's it. You've blurred the background behind your text. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, drop a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe for more.